Hello and welcome to yet another video in our G80 M3 shop car series. Today it's quite a short video, but it's definitely important to cover. This is one of the must-have upgrades for your car, in our opinion. When we first bought the G80 M3, really cool spec, ultimate pack, fully loaded, sat in the vehicle, and where the cup holder is, you can see that there's a little panel for your phone to sit on with a nice little symbol on. We assumed this was a wireless charger, and in fact it wasn't. So today I'm going to be doing a wireless charger install on the G80 M3. It's not a long install, you can do it DIY. We do offer to supply the part and supply and fit as well, so if you do want to come to us, we can get this sorted for you. So without further ado, I'm going to get this wireless charger installed and make our lives a bit easier when we're driving the car. Just removed the factory piece of trim that was into the center console, and as you can see, to me that looks like a wireless charger, but obviously if you're new to the vehicle, that's what you're going to think. If you're a bit more experienced with a BMW product, then you probably will know that that's not a wireless charger. If we look at the actual wireless charger for the vehicle, as you can see, there's small subtle differences. So you've got the little light at the bottom, which tells you that your phone's actually on charge, and then you've got the actual battery in the middle of the pad there, which basically says it's a wireless charger. So I'm going to go ahead now, fit the actual wireless charger in the vehicle, stick my phone on charge and get out on the road. Right, so wireless charger is installed. As you can see, when I put the phone on the pad, there we go, light comes on, phone's charging, happy days. So if I've not got a USB-C cable, if I forget it at home, or I've got something else plugged into the 12 volt or USB port, I can use a wireless charging pad. As I'm driving around, it will charge my phone, and when I'm stopped in stationary, I can pick my phone up, use my phone, put it back down. I've not got to faff around with any wires whatsoever whilst I'm driving or whilst I'm parked up in stationary. So that's it for this video. If you do have a BMW that is compatible with the wireless charger kit, please get in touch with us. The kit, as you can buy it now, is on our website, but you can also have us install it for you if you want to, just for peace of mind. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.